Okay, I'm picking these up one at a time and squeezing them.
Too cool. That's cruel to a piece of iron.
I'm missing
What's that?
April and May and December.
Oh, paperwork.
All right, Dennis is filming now.
Time will
And I smashed number 1 and it crushed. But number 2 is right here and it flattened out into a little flat thing. We'll look at that in a minute. Number 3 flattened out. Now I'm picking up number 4 right here. And I don't know, this doesn't even look like gold, but it doesn't break. Oh, it is. It's a piece of iron. All right, here's a big one. Oh, and it's squeezing. It's flattening out into a piece of gold. Look at that. That is a big piece of gold. That squeezed flat. These are little spherical round pieces of gold. Now this one I can tell has got some rock in it. You see it's a real round one. Oh, and it's taking the squeeze test. Look at that. This is gold. This is this is Mount Wilson gold. No one's ever found gold at Mount Wilson.
Well, that was the stuff that was stuck to that spacecraft.
Yeah, it picked it up during re-entry.
Right.
Oh, look at now. This is a large one, and I can tell there's some rock in it. But it's squeezing out. It's squeezing the rock out, and there's the piece of gold. So these are all in my I just took one scoop, one baseball-sized scoop of material.
Pretty good. Man, it sure didn't look like it to me.
Oh, look at this one. This big one is also another piece of gold. It's flattened out. So there you go. Now I'm curious about this.
I'm curious about the little stuff.
Now see this thing here, this L-shaped thing? I seen that. I can't get. See that? It looks like the letter L, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is odd. I'm going to squeeze that and see what happens when I squeeze it. If it breaks or if it's lead or something. It looks like lead.
Well, if it says L, it's got to be lead.
Oh, you know what? It's squeezed and it didn't break, and it's lead.
That's
So-
why it said L.
They marked it for us.
Yeah.
But now look at all these round little BBs in here. I got a lot of these little BBs. I can tell they're yellow. They're going to squeeze out.
You're going to have to turn this off for a minute before I shit myself.
Okay.
Oh, man, there's a lot more in there. I wouldn't doubt all them little ones are gold, too, then.
I think so.
Well, some of them aren't. I see some of them aren't.
Yeah, I think there may be even a few pieces of birdshot in there.